If you want to learn how to forward an entire email thread in Outlook, this quick guide will show you the exact steps. First, open your Microsoft Outlook inbox and select the email conversation or thread you want to forward. Now, right-click on the email, and from the menu, look for Find Related Messages, and then click on Messages in this conversation. This will open the full email thread so you can see all related messages in one place. Next, press Ctrl+A to select all emails in the conversation. This ensures the entire Outlook email thread is selected, not just a single message. Once everything is highlighted, right-click again and choose Forward from the menu. Now a new email window will open with the full conversation attached. You can add the recipient's email address at the top. You can also add a message if needed, then simply click Send.
But that does not show in my device. So you can follow the steps.
And that's it. You've successfully forwarded the entire email thread in Outlook in just a few steps.